I'm here at Rondout, which is in Lake County, Illinois, where multiple train lines meet. Waiting for a train to come through now, but nothing's here quite yet. Something will be coming soon though. I saw this blue one here. So like caboose, our maintenance one, which is kind of cool. Here's where the two lines meet. Just waiting for a train to come through. Here's the old switching tower. Just looking at it all around the switching tower. You can see it's not in use, it's all boarded up. They're just going around the whole building here, or the whole switching tower here. I don't know what year this was built. If I can find out, I'll put it in there. I have to go back farther than I thought. Sun's on the other side, so it'll probably be darker on this side. Don't know how long they'll keep this, honestly. I guess they have one window up there. But besides that, they really don't. I'm sure it's all automated now. That's looking east. Here's a crossover. This way is north. This is looking west into the sun. And this is a main route into Chicago. There's some old equipment here. Probably still in use, I just mean it's very old, age-wise. Haven't seen this before. A Tamper. See the actual rail wheels there. That's kind of cool. But I'm not going on anything, I'm just kind of putting the camera through. Go back there a little bit. Here comes the Metra through. We're gonna have an engine coming through. And right after it,